In one of our previous videos, we briefly explained how to create beautiful newsletters in Google Docs. For that, we use a building block called email draft. In this video, we explain in more detail how to use the power of tables in Google Docs. First, open a blank Google Docs document. Let's change the page settings to pageless. Select Email Draft. Now, insert a table with one cell below the header. Be sure to set the width to 21 centimeters or 8.5 inches. Let's stretch it down. Now insert a table with one column and 5 rows. Now comes the creative part that we left out in our last video. In the first row, insert a new table with one row and 2 columns. Let's leave the second row as it is. In the third row, insert a table with one row and 2 columns. In the fourth row, insert also a table with one row and 2 columns. And in the fifth row, insert only one table with one cell. We have to admit that our design does not look promising, but let's move on. Let's change the background color. Then put some texts in our newsletter. Insert some pictures. Remove all borders. Let's leave only the borders that divide the sections. and our newsletter is ready to be sent. We use this button to send an email. Want more tricks like this? Like, subscribe, or write to us.